Today we're making gluten-free scones. My favorite gluten-free flour is King Arthur's all-purpose gluten-free flour. You can get it at any grocery store or on Amazon. To make these scones, you'll need a food processor. You're going to combine the flour, baking powder, sugar, and salt into the food processor, and you're going to pulse 1 to 2 times so that it's integrated. After you've cut the butter into pieces, you're going to put it into the food processor and pulse until it looks like coarse sand. This might be a good time to start preheating your oven to 425 degrees Fahrenheit. So you're going to add the eggs, heavy cream, and vanilla, and you're going to mix in the food processor until it forms a dough. This might take a few pulses or it might take a lot of mixing, but as soon as it gets into dough, you don't want to overwork it. The dough is going to be pretty sticky, so you need some flour on the surface and on your hands for it to mold the way you want it and not stick to the counter. You can roll or pat the dough out into a 1-inch thick round. Cut into 8 wedges and place on a baking sheet. Bake for about 15 minutes until edges are lightly browned. My favorite topping is honey. If you liked this recipe, please hit the like button, and for more gluten-free recipes to come, subscribe.